How to reset Messenger PIN code. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Messenger, click on menu located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings at the top. In Settings, scroll down. Scroll down till you find Privacy. Click on Privacy and Safety. And then click on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Then click on Message Storage. In here, you will find Reset PIN option. Click on it. Then create your PIN. After you have done that, confirm your PIN. It will submit automatically and your PIN will be reset. This is how to reset Messenger PIN code. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.